Have you ever tried Southern-style barbecue tacos in a bag? This is a really innovative idea, especially for tailgating or backyard barbecues. First thing, you want to start with your favorite type of barbecue. It can be pulled pork, pulled chicken, or even brisket. Today, since we're tailgating, I'm using my pulled chicken barbecue from the Instapot. The next thing you want to have is individual portions of nacho-style chips. Finally, you want some additional toppings that would taste good on top of barbecue. Think cheddar cheese, jalapenos, sour cream, onions, onion straws. Anything that you might like to eat on top of barbecue. The process is simple. You open the bag, put a couple of scoops of barbecue on top of your chips, and then top them. Add a fork, and I like what the bag says, "Here's to a delicious day." If your event is taking place in your backyard, you could also host a Top Your Tots bar. Here's some great ideas for ways to top your tater tots. For more fun ideas and great recipes, visit GenronDesigns.com.